In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Google Pixel 9, starting from the initial setup to exploring its basic features. By the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with the essential functions of your new device. Begin by turning on your Google Pixel 9. You will see an initial setup screen guiding you through the process. Read the on-screen instructions carefully. When prompted, connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the list and entering the password. This connection is necessary for accessing apps and services. After connecting, sign in with your Google account. If you do not have an account, you can create one during this process. Completing these steps ensures your phone is ready for use. If you have a previous device, you may also have the option to restore data during the setup. Once your device is set up, you will arrive at the home screen. Here, you can explore various apps such as phone, messages, and settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You can navigate the device using gestures or the navigation buttons located at the bottom of the screen. Try opening and closing different apps to understand how they function. Additionally, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification panel and quick settings. This area provides controls for features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Do Not Disturb. Engaging with these basic functions will help you become. Next, customize your Google Pixel 9 to suit your preferences. Open the Settings app where you can adjust options such as display brightness, sound volume, and notification settings. Make these adjustments according to what feels best for you to enhance functionality. Explore the Google Play Store to find and install apps that meet your daily needs. Regular use of your phone will build your confidence and familiarity with its features. As you continue to explore, you will discover additional functionalities that enhance your overall experience. It is important to practice using your Google Pixel 9 daily. The more you engage with the device, the easier it will become to navigate its features. Over time, you will become proficient in using various functions and applications. Take your time to explore and learn at your own pace, ensuring that you understand how each feature works. This consistent practice is key to mastering your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.